We do want to check in on the latest COVID-19 numbers from the state, and just over 1,600 new cases reported today and 44 more deaths, which date back to last Wednesday. Now you can see that cases really have been trending downward throughout the last few weeks here. Right now, the state is averaging just under 2,200 new cases daily, the lowest in nearly 2 months. The positivity rate staying at 9.3%. Over 1,700 Hoosiers are in the hospital with COVID-19 right now. Now, the latest data from the state shows Tippecanoe and Monroe County reporting the lowest COVID-19 spread right now. Each is home to a major university. Their rates of positive COVID tests are about half the rate of statewide average. Fox 59's Kristen Eskow asked public health leaders and campus officials what's behind some of the lower rates that we're seeing on these maps.
Of all 92 counties, Monroe County has Indiana's lowest COVID-19 positivity rate. Now, local health officials tell me they want to get the transmission rate even lower. But here at Indiana University in Bloomington, campus officials tell me they believe their high vaccination rate on campus has worked.
We think that we're helping with the community by being so large and not having a large spread here.
Indiana University spokesperson Chuck Carney says that spread has been limited by IU's vaccination rate. According to university data, more than 93% of the Bloomington's campus is partially or fully vaccinated.
Plus, Monroe County has had the mask mandate for indoors. You have to wear a mask. We have that on all of our IU campuses.
Monroe County's positivity rate is the lowest statewide, a little more than 4%. That's significantly lower than the statewide positivity rate of 9.3%. Local health officials acknowledge repeated testing on IU's campus may be a factor, but they point out testing has decreased since most students and faculty are vaccinated. Indiana's second lowest positivity rate is in Tippecanoe County, home to Purdue University, where 86% of the campus population is vaccinated.
We do have a high number of vaccinated, but even last year when we didn't have the vaccine, due to the high amount of testing they do, it drops down our positivity rate.
I think it certainly can be in part due to testing, but I don't think that's the entire story.
Dr. Sean Granis of the Regan Streif Institute believes there are several factors that contribute to the lower rate. State data shows in both Monroe and Tippecanoe counties, 60% of the population is fully vaccinated.
I think that we need to recognize that vaccinations and the other precautions play an important role in decreasing the overall COVID rate.
Indiana University says it continues to work with the county health department to reevaluate the COVID protocols in place. In Bloomington, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.